Our last error analysis for the week is a line plot. Ciara figured out the scores at the end of a card game as shown below. So the numbers below represent the scores. Now I need to infer from this that the X's represent people that got that score. So if I'm interpreting this line plot, I can see that 2 people got the score of 10. Now, the question is asking me how many people scored at least 8. When it's asking me an at least question, I am including that value. So the people that scored 8 scored at least 8. So I'm counting all of the people that scored 8, 9, or 10 in their card game. I can count pretty easily that 2 people scored 10. I count the X's here to determine that 7 people scored 9. And lastly here, I can see that 9 people scored 8. So now I need to add up the number of people that scored 8, 9, and 10 to determine the total number of people that scored at least 8. The total number of people that scored at least 8 was 18 people. It's really important that when we're doing line plot questions, that first we really make sure we understand and interpret what the line plot represents and what the X's represent before we attempt to answer the question analyzing the line plot.